Good evening, my young dreamers. Was your teeth shining bright and your jammies on tight? It's time to snuggle down and sail away to a story spun from starlight. Nestle into your pillows and let the blanket hug you close as we unfold the story of a little bird with big dreams, dreams as vast as the twinkling sky. Are your ears perked? Are your eyes twinkling with delight? Then let's flutter into a tale that takes us soaring high, where dreams are feathers that tickle the night. So tuck in, hold your teddy tight, and let's glide on the wings of imagination. Ready, set, off we go into the starry night of stories. On a quiet night, under a sky filled with shimmering stars, there was a small bird that dreamed of touching the stars. Every night, it would gaze up at the magnificent sky, wishing it could fly high and dance among the sparkling stars.
How can I reach the stars?
The bird wondered aloud with a hint of sadness in its voice. The wise owl, who had been listening from a nearby tree branch, said,
"Every creature has its own capabilities. Not everyone can fly to the stars, but you can always find a way to make your dreams come true."
Inspired by the owl's words, the bird decided to embark on a journey to make its dream a reality. It began collecting shiny objects it found on the ground, colored glass pieces, glittering stones, and even some shiny feathers. Every night, it worked hard to create a beautiful star-shaped sculpture on the ground. Over time, the star sculpture became more and more luminous and beautiful. The animals in the forest began to notice its wonderful work and came to see it. The bird, with each piece it added, felt closer to the stars than ever before. On a special night, when the moon was full and the sky was particularly studded with stars, the light from the stars reflected off the luminous star sculpture, creating a magical glow that resembled the real stars. The bird, standing next to its masterpiece, finally felt as though it had touched the stars.
Sometimes, the way we achieve our dreams is different from what we imagine, but it can be just as beautiful.
Dream sweetly, my little friends, where stars meet the clouds in a dance. And when the sun peaks anew, I'll be here waiting with another story, brimming with more adventures. Until then, let your dreams take you on marvelous journeys. Good night, and see you in a joy-filled tale.